Hello students, in this session we will learn about chapter number 2, that is number system. For the number system, first we have to know what computer can do and how it works on the number system. As computer is a machine that can do all the calculations very fast, for this computer needs or works on the two discrete state, that is on and off, which means 0 and 1. It can easily represent these two states and work on the state of off and on. Off is for 0 and 1 is for on. The smallest unit of binary number system is bit, and bit is the smallest unit that computer can represent. To define a character, 8-bit consists of a byte, and to understand every character's alphabets, numbers and symbols in the computer, we require a code that is known as American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Now in this, basically in the number system, there are 4 points which we can discuss in this session. Number system consists of two basic points, that is non-positional number system and positional number system. In the number system, it consists of a set of symbols and rules for representing any number. To represent any number, we use the number system. There are two parts, non-positional and positional. Positional form represent the Roman numerals, and normally it is useful for small calculations or small numbers. In the positional number system, for example decimal system or the digit value or the power base value, we use the positional number system. Again, that is divided into 4 parts, that is binary number system, decimal number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. As we can see on the screen, there are 4 parts. In these 4 parts, we will explain one by one. Basically, the 4 parts which we have learned has its own base value. Binary has 2, decimal has 10, octal has 8 and hexadecimal has 16 base value. For the calculation, computer works on these base value and find the solution and store the data accordingly. Now in the decimal number system, it has 10 digits. Decimal number system has a base of 10 with each position weight by the factor of 10. We have to convert the decimal number system into a binary form. So for converting, for the example I have taken the number as 25. Every time number will be divided by 2 because we have to convert it into a decimal form. So it will be divided by 2. 25 is divided by 2 and its remainder is 1. 12 is divided by 2 and its remainder is 0. 6 is divided by 2 and its remainder is 0. 3 is divided by 2 and its remainder is 1. And last is the 1. So if we write the binary format, so we have to take it from the bottom to top. So the binary number is according to the bottom to top, means MSD to LSD. 1 1 0 1. In the next example, we will see about the how. There are basically 3 examples here. Each of the example explain that how the decimal number is converted into the binary number format. Here we can see 17 is divided every time with the 2. Now we were explaining about the MSD and LSD. MSD is the most significant digit and LSD is the least significant digit. Therefore, the binary equivalent for 35 is 100101. 35 is every time divided by 2, means divisor is here, remainder is on the right hand side and quotient is on the below part. When we divide it by the 2, the quotient every time comes and we have to work until the answer will be 1 or 0. Next is binary number system. In the binary number system, we will learn about how the system works or the computer work on the discrete number, that is on and off. A method for representing letters or numbers using only 2 digits, that is 0 and 1. The smallest unit is bit and 8 bit comprises of a 1 character, that is byte. Also referred as a base 2, binary code or just digital. Computer cannot understand anything except binary numbers. On the next, we will know how to convert binary number into decimal form. To convert the binary number into decimal form, on the last we have learned how to convert decimal into binary number. In this, we can see that the binary numbers is converted into decimal number, that is 100101, and the answer is 37. In this form, we can understand the here number, binary number is 1010. We have to write the decimal form from the last digit to the first digit. Here 0 means the decimal point is 0, 1 means the decimal point is 1, 0 means the decimal point is 2, and 1 means the decimal point is 3. So we have to find it. In the second part you can see 1 into 2 to the power 3, because our base is 2. We have to convert the binary number into decimal form. So we have to take the 2 base with the power of decimal number. Now 1 into 2 to the power 3 plus 0 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power 0. So for these, every time when 0 is calculated with a number, then its answer is 0. On the first, we can see 1 into 2 to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2 means answer is 2 into 2 is 4 and 4 into 2 is 8. Now first is 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0 means 8 plus 2 answer is 10. Now on the next example is all about the binary number system. Again we have to find out how binary number is calculated into a decimal number system. Now next is octal number system. Octal number system has a base of 8. It's from 0 to 7. For example, as in this example we will divide decimal every time from the 8 and we will find the remainder, and we have to write the remainder again from the bottom to top, as you can see in this example. Now fourth number system is hexadecimal number system. In short, we can spell it as hex. Its base is 16, means hexa deci, means hexa or decimal having 6 sides. So hexa has its 6 sides, so its number is from A to F, and deci means total 10 digits, that is from 0 to 9. Place value increases in powers of 16. The advantage of hexadecimal number system is its usefulness in converting directly from 4-digit binary number. 8 symbols in the base 16 symbols include 0 to 9 and A to F, means A has a value of 10, B has a value of 11, C has a value of 12, D has a value of 13, E has a value of 14 and F has a value of 15. Now in the next example we can see how decimal is converted into hexadecimal number. For this, in this we can see that again the decimal number is divided with the base of 16 every time, and from last to top it has been written 13, 9 and 7. Now it can be 13 can be read as D, 9 and 7. Here also we can see that hex equivalent for the decimal of 3509 is divided by 16. Its answer is 219, quotient and remainder is 5. Again 16 is divided, 219 is divided by 16 and its quotient is 13 and remainder is 11, and the last value is 13. So it can be written as 13, 11 and 5. 13 has a value of D, 11 has a value of B and 5 is equal to 5. So it can be written as DB5. So its hex value of decimal number 3509 is DB5. So these can be calculated according to our requirement and system requirement. End of this session. Thank you.